lead me down the road I should
I wanted to talk for a bit about what's keeping me sane the past years. And I have them right here. It's been 6 years since I first discovered devotionals. I first discovered it by Hannah Pangilinan in one of her videos. It was back in 2020 when I first started actually dedicating time in the morning to pray to God. I remember using a college notebook na nakuha ko sa balikbayan box.
every ounce of courage I can throw you. Lead me down the road I should
Gusto mo internet? Ay, masama ako.
teach me how to hold you. Take me to such a place where I can be.
Glad I like that, stronger now than ever. Shitty ass bread. Matcha. Yeah.
Little far behind you, I'll catch up soon if you let me.
Reading Atomic Habits. Not gonna lie. Binabasa ko lang dahil walang internet. And I have nothing else to do.
Hard to make out any.
Informative as well.
Ano sa kanya natin, Mitch? Ang ganda.
Ano lang? Camera.
Picture lang. At tala, yan din siya.
Hello.
Wait, ano na daw?
Sama ka? Happy birthday! Bagay siya sa tubo niya.
Hey! Ay, wow!
Feeling? Feeling.
Sa kanya ba gusto niya yun? Pera! Oo. Pera niya. Mataas na. Tsaka ano naman siya eh. F1 grad naman siya. Oo. Kaya parang, kasi may internship sila sa Ateneo, diba? Hindi naman, UP yung
Pretty.
Konti lang yata
Tapos di sila nag-discuss ng mga cases na kumari.
Ay,
Hindi siya sumasama sa... Di ba parang nabanggit mo nga?
Ang lapit mo.
Papalit na lang ako ng shorts at panty. Papalit ako, guys. Just in case you don't know.
Hindi tumahol yung dog. This is my first devotional notebook. And then yung entries niya. Oh, wow! Ang ganda ng sulat ko. What the hell? Look at my writing! And what I do is I write the time, the place where I'm doing my devotional, and apparently I listen to music while doing my devotional, so I write what music I'm listening to. Pick an entry. I read a chapter in the Bible, and then I pick a few verses, maybe even just one, and reflect on that, and then pray on it. After that, I used the SOAP method, which is a scripture, observation, application, and prayer. I tried other methods such as listening to podcast. I really enjoyed the 10-minute Bible talks. I did that for a few months back in college when my schedule was really hectic and I only had like less than 10 minutes a day to get ready. And then I also use the Bible app YouVersion. And here's another devotional of mine. And here is my devotional now, my devotional notebook. See, I really use anything. Oh, this was a notebook I used in my crim class back in college, pero hindi ko siya nagamit talaga. Kaya ginamit ko lang for my devotional. And then I started integrating the 5-minute journal. This is my first strategy journal. It's a bit beaten up. So there's that, and then here's my new one. Yeah, it's still new, pero patapos na rin ako. I only have a few pages left, and here's how much I've used already. You write down 3 things you're grateful for, what would make the day great, and a positive affirmation, as well as good things that happened today and what I learned. Next is, this is my journal na I bought on TikTok shop. I didn't really have much faith in it, but it's actually proven to be pretty good. This line one, I scribble on my thoughts, so I have a pretty good amount of entries. I only started this year. I write whatever. This is the notebook I'm not really strict about, since the others, it's meant for prayer. The other is just, it's a guided one with prompts. It's the second notebook I write 2026 goals and just reflections, as you can see. And at the back, I just have a collection of my photo booth strips. No.